Hey everybody, Aaron Lepin here at the Martin Motorsports Kelowna location, standing in front of the 2021 Supra SE550. Give us a moment of your time and I want to walk you through a couple features that I love about this boat. Starting on the outside of this SE550, I want to call it this boat-made trailer. As you can see, triple axle with the upgraded 18-inch wheels. Also has matching 3-color non-skid on the fenders and on the steps, which looks outstanding. And another thing to call out here in British Columbia, a boat of this size requires electric over hydraulic brakes. So all of our inventory here at Martin Motorsports, you're going to notice they are equipped with electric over hydraulic brakes. So you are you're legal on the road. So be aware of that when you are out shopping. On a boat this size, or even the size below this, a couple sizes below this, it is required. So make sure you check when you're doing your shopping. Now we're here at the transom of this Supra. As in all the Supras, we have this great waterfall design fiberglass platform. It is tapered to minimize its contact and interference with your surf wave. You also have your fisheye camera lens integrated into the grab handle. You have your surf locker. Again, you're going to fit a couple skim style boards in here, or surf style boards, something with a bigger fin. And then moving up into the transom, the sun deck area, you've got a full sun pad here. This is removable, and of course you've got the optional flip up seats as well. Now that we're inside the boat, I want to show you the copious amounts of storage in this thing. 4,100 pounds of ballast. It is all subfloor. You still have a seating capacity for 18 passengers. So even with the ballast size that is that big, we're not sacrificing any passenger safety. And if we open up these rear compartments, you can take a look. You'll see how cavernous those are. Also equipped with, you got rope hooks or jacket hooks, so your stuff can hang instead of just having it on the floor. That's on both sides. As you can see, we've now removed the center cushion so we can see that nice walk through. It is tapered inside to the boat, makes it nice and easy to get in, and you have a step. Then we flip these up. These are hinge seats, easy to lift. As you can see, ballast is all tucked away and hidden. Nothing is exposed. We've got that great 3-color non-skid flooring, and it's, as you can see, storage all throughout the whole boat, and that even wraps around the whole bow. Another option or another feature we love about all the Supra models is the standard power tower. New for 2021 is the optional side tow hook. So if you are teaching someone who's new at surfing, you just tie off the rope there. They're on the side that they're surfing on, and they don't have to deal with obviously the large wake that this puts out. Other great things about this tower and bimini design is if you get caught in some rougher waters or rougher weather where it's pouring rain and you're trying to navigate, either continue your session or get back to the dock, great option here is we just drop this down, boom, you're protected. That rain is blocked, your passengers are protected, get yourself back to the dock safely. Yeah, pretty cool feature. Other thing, you've got the standard surfboard holders on top of the bimini. As you can see, the bimini is very large, so it does provide a lot of protection. You can also option it with your high-def camera, which is mounted up here, and that's in addition to the camera that we already discussed on the transom. This one is equipped with the 4JL audio tower speakers. I'm about 6 feet tall, and as you can see, you get no problem with clearance on this either. New for 2021 on all Supra models is this new frameless windshield design. Very sleek, very clean and contemporary. It does have backlit accent lighting around the frame on the sides, which is actually color matched to your tower. And as you can see, just a real clean look. Runs real smooth. The other nice thing about this is there is some resistance and tension on that, so that's not going to slam closed. So real thoughtful design on that one. The other new thing for 2021 that we love is the new captain's chair. So this is an exposed frame design, as you can see. Real nice billet, accenting throughout. You've got good side support. Easily swing your leg over to the side. You can swing in and communicate with the rest of the cockpit. It is standard, it's heated base and back. It is power forward and back and up and down. A couple other new design features for Supra for 2021 is the one-piece gull wing design. So on the passenger seat, what that does, obviously one-handed, real quick, easy access to the storage compartment. As we can see, it's finished off nice and tidy. Again, a lot of space in here. We have integrated compartments for your standard 12-inch JL subs. What that does is, you know, having it in an enclosure makes the base just very, very full, and this thing will just vibrate off the water. We'll close that up and show you the standard passenger screen. Again, a touch screen allows them to, you know, utilize the lights and the audio. And then over to the captain's chair, we want to call out the new multi-function steering wheel. Obviously, there is many multi-function steering wheels on the market. What we love about this one is that the buttons are mounted to the steering wheel, so we don't have that catch point or the pinch point of having a fixed button console on the center of the steering wheel. And as you can see, the vision control helm, very easy to use, and you have a standard charging station right here for your cell phone. Now we're at the bow of this SE. Now what makes the SE unique, obviously, is its wide shovel pickle fork style bow. It's not a true pickle fork or a traditional bow, but it's very wide. Gives you a ton of space up here for passengers. What's really nice is these front cushions, they are hinged both sides, and you've got storage inside here, nicely finished off. As you can see on this side, we've got our cover tucked away, nice and neat. This center cushion actually flips over, so you can have it as a walk-through, or we can flip it over and make a complete playpen style bow. Thank you for taking the time to hang out and listen to us talk about the Supra SE550. If you have any questions on any of the Supra models, give myself a call, Aaron, here at the Kelowna location, or any of our locations across Western Canada.